Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for this Janlynn Needlecraft stamped embroidery kit. It's 5x7 and I just saw this at Wal Mart for the first time. It is January 2020 and I thought, oh, how great, this is really pretty. So I thought, let's open it up and see what's inside together. I paid $4.47 for this kit. So let's see what comes included for $4.47. And keep that in there. That's just the front and back. You get your embroidery picture, you get your instructions. It says use 2 strands of floss for all embroidery. Gray, dark green, purple. Gives you your outline of what you're supposed to do. And you could probably reuse that image for another embroidery project if you liked it so much to do it twice. And it gives you some nice sturdy fabric. And it looks like it gives you just enough to do your fabric or to do your project and then frame it. I love how it looks designed to be easy for the crafter. Like there's enough space to do your stitching, but not to feel stressed by it. This looks like a very manageable project. And I've never used a Janlynn kit before, so I don't know how generous they could be with their threads, but I think that it's always good to err on the side of caution. Like with Dimensions kits, depending on if they're newer or older, you may or may not have enough to do your project if you make a mistake. But yeah, that's literally it. It's very self-explanatory. So if you see these kits in the store, you get your instructions and it tells you what to do. It tells you how to frame and tells you how to frame your project. Simple directions. I also love that this isn't over inundated with colors. So you get what you see, or you see what you get, and it's just very self-explanatory. And it gives you one needle. The only thing that you need to buy if you don't stitch in hand is a hoop. And that's preference. So that's wonderful. $4.47, and I think that that's a great deal. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell if you'd like to be notified when I upload my newest video. I've got a lot of unboxings coming. I've got a lot of craft with me videos coming, and just process videos. Please go check me over at briannalentz.com, where you will see a lot of these projects completed along with other things that I may not have put on my YouTube channel. So I got a lot of fun stuff going on. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I will see you later.